He's running away.
Holy shit.
He's not running away. We're gonna get him. Ain't that right, Microwave?
He like
Get
right
his
on
ass, Microwave.
The anomaly will be dealt with. No mercy will be required.
Get him, Microwave. What the fuck? You're something else, man. This guy.
What?
I don't know.
I know, right? I don't know either. This guy right here. This Microwave, you are something else, man.
Microwave is crazy.
I lust for
Oh my
destruction.
god. Don't say that!